Alright, we're starting. Okay. Never have I watched an entire television series in a day. I have. It's like a romantic story, on a Netflix. I don't know what it's called. I just forgot. Alright. Let's start again. What's the... Never have I traveled out of the country. Oh. Never have I. Never have I. Yeah, of course. We don't have money. We're poor. I'm broke. Let's start. Never have I had food poisoning. I have. My classmate gave me a chalk. He said it was a candy. And it looks like a candy. So I eat it, and then I got poisoned. Lucky I didn't die. I was like kinder 1 or kinder 2. Never have I skipped class. I never skip class because I love class. Never have I. I really love it though. Don't force me to stop liking the school, okay? I love school. You disgusting peoples. Disgusting. Get out of my way. Never have I walked into a glass door. I have. I thought there was nothing in there, so I walked in. But then, when I touched the glass, it was a glass. I have. Okay. Never have I received a badge in this game. I have. After I started this video. Oh, new player. How nice. Never have I fallen off a chair. I've fallen off sometimes, it was never hurt. It's not hurt. Oh look, new player again. Her avatar is so pretty. Yeah. Alright.